Alright guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I like to start off my Rubik's cubing. There's many ways of doing it, but this is the way that I like to do it. So why not start with red, white, and blue? Yeah. So let's do that. First thing I want to do is change out this here so that we're going to have, sorry, this one here, so that we're going to have red, red, blue, blue, and white, white, like that. So let's find that cube. Let's find that cube that we want. Oh, here it is. This is the one, but it's not facing the correct way. So let's fix that. Let's fix that. Let's turn it one turn up and this. And now it's doing exactly what we wanted it to. Red, red, blue, blue, white, white. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.